Okay, my name is Farhan. I'm going to present about uh, language in contact and change. Precisely, we gonna talk about multilingualism. So the first is the pervasiveness of uh, multilingualism. So multilingualism is uh, as we know that we usually that we usually see that people speak a different language and uh, and uh, as example, I speak Minang in my home, or maybe and then speak Indonesian in campus, or English in when I speak with the lecturers. So multilingualism is really easily uh, being uh, being uh, being learned by only one people, and then we often see that phenomena often happen in our life. And then the second is about the domain of the language use. Before we talk about the domain, we gonna talk about dio the dioglusa. Uh, Dioglosia is a term used for uh, to for the fusion of two separate codes, or two different codes. For example, in Arabic, there are high variety of language and the low variety of language. And then after that, we're gonna talk about the domain. The domain is where that diaglossia use. For example, for the high variety, we're gonna use for the lecturer section, or maybe for the formal situation, or and the low variety is used for uh, casual, or maybe a less formal situation. And then but usually in some case the we can use both high and low variety. For example, in a lecture we can use the high, but when we explaining it, we're gonna use the low variety for better understanding. And then for the third is about how the language attitude, or the language attitude on ideologies. So as we know that for example, like I said before, the high varieties usually uh, being uh, being plastic as the uh, high level of a language. uh, so there is a prestige for also the low variety. That's why for 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 religion, or maybe for political condition, they usually use uh, they love to use the high variety because there is a prestige that is high variety language uh, is more uh, more high or more respectable and expressive. And then about the multilingual multilingual um, discourse can shape interaction because once we use the we use the uh, uh, different language for different settings. Uh, Actually, there are no explicit rules for the way people are gonna talk, because that's why usually people gonna consider the what language they 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 want to use for communicate each other. So that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.